Hey guys, Farmer Jeremiah here at Jokus Farm. I'm going to give you an update on the fall cover crop that we put in late August. Now it's October the 9th, so almost, whatever. But anyways, you can see the field peas, some hairy vetch here. Here's the field peas. And you can see the grass is coming in. And the red clover. And there's also some annual rye and winter rye, but I really haven't seen a whole lot. You can see where I didn't spread it out too well. And I got some patches that are really thick. But luckily the fields came in okay. This is the one spot I've been having trouble with. It like dries out too much, but there's a little bit of clover and vetch coming in. We kind of had a delay in our germination because this field isn't irrigated, so it was kind of dry for a few weeks until we actually got some rain in. And as you can see, it's been raining quite a bit today. I thought I'd come out and see how everything was doing. I thought this field came in really nice. There's lots of field peas, vetch, and clover. You can see these big patches where I just dumped a pile of seeds, it looks like. But luckily, we got some pretty good coverage, so it's gonna be excellent. Probably gotta put some corn here in the spring.